The supreme goodness is to be like water, for it benefits all things without contention. Live in accordance with the nature of things. Indwelling, build your house on solid ground. In being, keep your mind still. Seek the depths. When giving, be generous and kind. When speaking, be truthful and honest. When working, be considerate and passionate. In confrontation, be gentle and fair. In governance, be just, do not control. In action, remember, timing is everything. Water is content with its own nature. One who lives in accordance with nature does not go against the way of things. One moves in harmony with the present moment, knowing the truth of just what to do.